Hi, I'm Mr. D and welcome again to my kitchen. So what do you do if you have half a leg of lamb, 3 kinds of beans, a bottle of red wine and a thermal cooker? Well, I think pot roast lamb seems to be the recipe of the day. The first thing to do is to put the inner pot over a medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of rapeseed oil. Once the oil is hot, brown the half leg of lamb in the oil, turning it often so it colours on all sides. I've used my fingers to turn the lamb, but I would recommend you use tongs to save burning your hand. Once the meat is browned, place it on the side for later. Now add the smoked bacon lardons to the pot. Add the chopped onion. The carrots. Chopped celery, and lastly the leek. Give everything a stir before putting the lid on. Now while the vegetables are softening, put about 10 slashes in the lamb and fill them with thin slices of garlic and rosemary. After 10 minutes, the vegetables should be softened, so take the lid off and add the red wine. Now add the lamb gravy pot or stock cubes if you're using them. And place the meat on the top of the vegetables. Make sure that it's low enough to get the lid on. Now we add the tin of 3-bean salad. And 200 grams of chopped tomatoes, that's about half a tin. Give everything a stir before topping up with boiling water, just enough to cover the meat. Now finally add 3 sprigs of thyme, a few bay leaves and a pinch of freshly ground pepper. Put the lid on and leave to simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, put the inner pot in the insulated outer container and shut the lid. Now leave to cook without power for a minimum of 4 hours, but you can leave it longer if you want. Well, how simple was that? If you haven't subscribed, please do, and don't forget to hit the bell, then you will be notified when I put new recipes on the channel.